Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be looking at this frying pan right here, and this was sent to us for free by Emura for us to check out. Now, I really like this thing. It does really well. Whenever you put it on here, the heat distributes throughout it really well. Here's what the bottom of it looks like. So we'll put it back on there. Also has that finish on there that allows it to not have your food stick to it or anything. So super easy to clean also. And it is PFOA free. It's good for your induction, ceramic, gas, electric, and you also can use this in your oven. That's right, it is oven safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw on a couple burgers on here. Fits 3 of our half-pound burgers on there, so really nice size, as you can see by that one. This one here is the 26 centimeter size. All right, so our burgers are going. We're gonna add a little bit of seasoning to them now. Go ahead and pull this box back. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip these burgers here. Look at that, nothing sticking at all, really nice. Maybe sliding around too much for us. There we go. Another flip here. Got to add some cheese on there. And we'll pull these off now. All right, so we'll just start with running water and run it on there and see what all it gets off. All right, so there you see, just the running water alone gets this thing almost totally clean. So this thing, really great. Like I said, go ahead and check this one out.